couple of years ago, I brought a Carisma SCA-1E Coyote on the advice of Carisma team driver Mad Mike Worthington. After driving it for a while, I could understand why Mike was so passionate about the brand. As well as being amazing quality for the price, they're a great platform for customisation, and I certainly had some fun putting my own spin on mine. And by clicking the link above, you can see the Nightcrawler in action when I took her to the beach. So when Chris Jones from the Facebook group UrbanMonkeys RC gave me a D90 shell, I knew exactly where it was going. The only problem was that there was nothing under the plastic hard tray back. So the first thing I did was take one of my old trailers apart and fitted it into the back of the empty D90. This made the shell a lot more rigid, as well as making it look a lot better. Then, after filling and sanding, came the painting, first with a coat of pale yellow. Then, after a bit of masking, a second coat with a nice flat black. Finally revealing the D90 Bumble wasp. I then moved on to the interior, with the help of Captain Jean-Luc Picard, of course, who fitted into the cockpit like a glove. And after a little bit more scale detailing, and the addition of a set of lights, she was ready to roll. So without further ado, let's see how she did when I nipped out the other day for an hour's test drive. Well, that's it for this video, so thank you for watching. But before I go, I would like to say that adding the extra weight of the hard shell didn't sit well with the rear shocks, and on its first run in the man cave it had so much torque twist on acceleration both forward and reverse that rear wheels dug into the wheel arches really badly, but after adding much stiffer springs on the rear the problem disappeared. Oh, and take a look for the Urban Monkeys RC group on Facebook. It's a very friendly group and the font of all RC knowledge online. If you don't know, ask someone, they will have an answer. Right, that's definitely it for this video, and thank you once again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe by clicking the link above. You can also find the link there to Mad Mike's channel. Have a look at his site and show him some love, or click on the link at the side of that and you can watch one of my other videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy RCing guys.